Picture this. The blazing summer heat has cooled, the skies are a perfect shade of blue, and Arizona's most iconic landscapes are glowing under the golden light of autumn. Fall is hands down the best time to hit the road through Arizona, where the Grand Canyon and Sedona deliver jaw-dropping views, vibrant colors, and an atmosphere that feels almost magical. For many travelers, the Grand Canyon is a bucket list destination, but visiting in fall makes it even more special. Temperatures are cooler, crowds are smaller, and sunsets paint the canyon walls in shades of crimson, amber, and violet. Hiking trails like Bright Angel or South Kaibab become more enjoyable, with crisp air and less foot traffic. If you want a perspective like no other, consider a helicopter ride over the canyon in autumn. The visibility is crystal clear, and the fall light adds a dramatic flair to every ridge and shadow. Just a few hours south, Sedona welcomes you with red rock formations that seem to glow at sunset. In fall, the surrounding Oak Creek Canyon bursts into color, with golden aspens and fiery maples contrasting against the rust-colored cliffs. This combination of desert and fall foliage creates one of the most unique landscapes in the Southwest. Whether you're hiking Cathedral Rock, exploring mystical vortex sites, or simply strolling through Sedona's art galleries, the season adds an extra layer of charm. The drive itself is part of the magic. The route from the Grand Canyon to Sedona winds through small towns, open highways, and scenic byways that invite you to slow down and take in the views. Stop in Flagstaff for a taste of mountain life, grab a coffee at a local cafe, and then continue south where the terrain gradually transforms from pine forest to iconic red desert. Traveling in fall also means better value. Hotels and resorts often drop their peak summer rates, and outdoor activities, from jeep tours to wine tastings in nearby Verde Valley, become more comfortable and accessible. Plus, you'll find fewer crowds at popular photo spots, giving you the freedom to savor the landscapes without rushing. If you're planning your Arizona road trip, pack layers. Days are warm, nights are cool, and the mix of desert and mountain climates can surprise you. Make sure to book accommodations in advance, especially in Sedona, where boutique hotels and cozy lodges fill quickly during the season. This road trip isn't just about reaching destinations, it's about the journey. Fall in Arizona transforms the Grand Canyon and Sedona into places that feel both peaceful and alive, timeless yet ever-changing. It's nature's way of reminding us that some adventures are worth waiting for. So, let me ask you, if you could take this fall road trip, would you rather watch the sun dip behind the Grand Canyon or hike among Sedona's fiery red rocks and autumn trees?